Here we have IFERROR function. IFERROR function evaluates an expression and returns a specified value if the expression returns an error. So this function evaluates an expression and check if the expression is returning an error, then it will return a particular specified value. Otherwise, it returns the value of the expression itself, right? So for error handling, we used to write this if error function, so that if we are getting any error of from the expression, then it won't the client or the user of the report will not see that error. It will return the alternate value. Syntax is if value and the two, there are two parameters of if value and value of error. So the first parameter value is the value or expression that we are evaluating, and value of error parameter is the any alternate value that we want to provide instead of the error, right? It returns a scalar value of same type as the value. Now if I go to my Power BI desktop, so for example, let me create one measure. Here I'll be giving it the name as if error function. Now shift plus enter to go to the next or the new line. Here I'll be giving it the function as if error, and it will show the syntax and the definition of this if error. Now I'll go to again new line, shift plus enter. Here it will give me uh, I need to give some value. For example, I need to divide some particular value. For example, 24 divide, let's say, okay, let me just divide 24 by 3, right? This is my expression, and instead of if this function gives me an error, then what value I need to provide? So I will give it 0, right? If the error, if this expression returns an error, then it will provide 0. Otherwise it will return this, the result of this expression, right? Now I'll create one card. Here I'll give one uh, if error function. Here it is giving me 8, right? Because that value didn't return the error, so it gave the resultant. Now if I just edit it, so if I just divided it by 0, then it should be an error. Then it will be giving me 0 as the result, right? So we can also provide some other value. Let's say if I try to give uh, some string here, so will it take? That's the question. So here it is displaying me the error value as the message, right? So this is how this function works. So it evaluates an expression. If it is not giving the error, then it will result me the value of that expression. Otherwise, if the error is coming, then it provides the error message, the alternate message we are providing here.